Hi, welcome back. This is Yvana from Dynamics, and today I'm going to help you learn the Do Ran Ran line dance, a cute little absolute beginner step dance, which is either a one wall or a four wall. I'm going to show you how to do both. So as normal or usual, I'm going to help you by giving you the complete dance with the steps. Then we're going to do a count, and then I'll break it down a little bit more at the end if you need a little bit more help with those steps. So here are the steps for the dance. We start with a kick ball chain, 2 kicks with the right. That's kick ball chain for a Lindy to the right, Lindy and a rock recover. Same thing with the left. Kick ball chain for 2, Lindy to the left, rock recover. K-step, forward and middle, back and middle, grapevine to the right, and grapevine to the left with a shimmy, and we start all over again. So that is your one wall option. Here comes with the quarter turn option. 5, 6, 7, 8, kick ball chain, and Lindy, rock recover. Again, kick ball chain, Lindy left, rock recover, K-step, forward middle, back middle, grapevine to the right, and grapevine to the left with a quarter turn, touch, and then we start with a kick all over again and the Lindy. Okay, you got it. So here comes with a count in 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and 1 starts kicking all over again. At the end for your grapevine, so you know when you do your quarter turn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is your turn for your kick starting all over. All right, so now, so you know there is also a tag I mentioned. A tag is when the song has a bridge. In this case, we're doing step touch, step touch, step touch, and step touch, 4 of those, and then we start kicking all over again. The tags are on wall 2, 4, and 7. Oh, we'll do it together when we do the dancing, okay? So let's break down those steps for those that need some more help. For those that know your steps, go back to the beginning of the video and practice some more. So here's breaking down the steps. So here is a kick ball chain. So what is that? What we need to do is you kick your right foot, step on it, step on the left, and raise your heel. So step, touch, touch, kick, kick, step, step, kick, step, step. You don't have to kick very high, so it's a little bit in the bottom. It is a quick exchange of your foot there, so it's 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. The more you practice, the better you get. With the left foot, same idea. Kick, step, step, kick, step, step, kick, step, step, kick, step, step, kick, step, step. That is your kick ball chain. All right. The Lindy step, as we mentioned, is basically a shuffle into the side, right? It's a count into a 1, 2, 3 hold. So that would be 1, 2, 3, right? Step, step, step. 1, 2, 3. And in the left, 1, 2, 3. So it's a walk, step, 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 step. So when we do a Lindy, we do basically a 2 shuffles with that same leg, 1 and 2. Then we do a rock recover with the other leg. So body weight exchange, your left foot goes back in an angle and recovers back to the front. Lindy with a rock recover, right? So again, right and right, back left and touch forward. Same thing to the left, shuffle, shuffle, rocks back and touch. So practice your Lindies by just going side to side, rock back, touch, side to side, rock back, touch, side to side, rock back, touch, side to side, rock back, touch. Okay? Step. Next, first step is the K step. That's what we mentioned at the beginning. Your K step, just like the letter K, you're in the middle. You're going to do the first arm of your letter K, step and touch, come back to the middle, and then the little leg that goes back of the letter K steps back and step together. So it's a step touch, but moving as a K, right? So step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, and step, touch. Just think on that letter K and you'll be just fine. And your grapevine at the end, you get step, behind, step, and touch, step, behind, step, and touch, step, behind, step, and touch, and step, behind, step, and touch. So again, all of that I'll do a few times so you can see it. You can review it, practice more, and then you get those steps with no problem. Now for your turns, for those of you learning to do quarter turns already. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with the left foot, and 8 is that step. So always remember when you come back to the left is step, behind, step by turning to the left, and step together. Awesome. Have fun. See you soon.